Hey y'all, it's Kenny here, coming back with another YouTube tutorial for sexy pole for beginners. Don't worry. This is one of my favorite styles to do, so I hope you guys like this video and enjoy. Let's get started. You're going to start standing in front of your pole. As you start in front of your pole, bring your feet apart. From there, bend one leg. Other leg is more or less straight. You can add a slight bend because it's a little bit harder in heels. From there, you're going to stroke your leg down and start with your hands on your foot or your shin, whichever is comfortable for you. From there, you're going to stroke your leg up, nice and slow. Arch into the pole. Hands come behind the pole, cross, and slide your hands up. From there, you're just gonna add some shoulder rolls. 4, maybe 3, 2, 1 counts. And then you're gonna turn top hand into a cup grip. So cup grip, all that means all fingers are on the same side, like so. Into a cup grip. Turn towards the pole, so my right hand is high. Turn, pivot, into your bicep grip. Bicep grip, your armpit is in the pole, your bicep is squeezing onto the pole, okay? You're gonna turn, cross. The back foot is going to come out, kick, out to the side, and then circle the head back. From there, we're going to do some body waves. Going to bring your head close, chest follows, arch it back, bend the knees, push the hips back, and repeat. And last one for good measure. From there, you're going to turn to face your audience. Hey audience, slide that right hand up, maybe hand on the hip, and walk. And as you walk, it's my favorite thing to do. Slight ankle rolls, side to side, side to side, side to side. And then stop again. From here, both hands come to the pole. Maybe add a little prance in the leg this time. Still continuing our body wave movement. And then from there, hooking that leg onto the pole, stroking the leg up from the heel, and then arching it back. Starting position. Enjoyed this tutorial. Sexy beginner pole. Enjoy.
On a tout dépensé, on n'a plus d'argent.